Hello and welcome, my name's Aaron and today I would like to share with you the Volkswagen Crafter. This Crafter is a part of the Trendline model and is a 22 plate with a manual gearbox. You'll be pleased to know that this model comes with front parking sensors as well as daytime running lights. Volkswagen's front assist with emergency braking function. Look at the side of the vehicle, we can see the beautiful candy white solid paint as well as the 16-inch steel wheels, black wheel caps to protect from any damages, as well as the exterior mirrors with integrated lights. Taking a look, we have an easy to use slide door which can be operated with one hand. Once inside, we can see that there's plenty of storage spaces for your needs, as well as yellow rails and ambient lighting with metal hooks to secure any items. In the vehicle, we can see that the doors open at two different angles, making it easier to move things in and out. These doors are also lined to protect you from any damages, as well as the floor. Taking a look to the driver's side, we can see that there is plenty of storage spaces upon the door for all your needs, and you will see more storage spaces inside, as well as the plush soft ergo comfort seats, coming with the adjustable headrest as well as armrest. A look above the windscreen, we can see that this Crafter has more than enough storage spaces for all your needs. I hope you've enjoyed the 360 exterior tour of the Volkswagen Crafter. We'll move into the cabin side. Why not give us a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all our content. Once inside the Crafter, we'll have a sturdy, grippy steering wheel with the trip computer above it. To the bottom right, we'll have switches for the headlights, and to the door side, we'll have unlock and lock, as well as electric windows. Right side of the steering wheel will have buttons for the multimedia function, and to the left we'll have keys for the cruise control. This can be seen above. This also has a speed adjustment as well as animation for your front assist. Now taking a look at the easy to use entertainment system, which comes with FM and DAB radio with up to 15 stations. The hub also comes with Bluetooth connectivity to listen to all your favorite playlists. This Crafter also comes with a vehicle application, which gives you status updates to make sure that you're safe upon the road. More features, you'll be delighted to know that this comes with App Connect, which will have Android and Apple Carplay. Below, we have physical buttons to operate the climate control within the vehicle. And to the bottom, we have two USB-C ports with a 12-volt charger. Ensure that you are fully juiced upon the road. I hope you've enjoyed the video presentation of the Volkswagen Crafter. This is available now to view and test drive at our dealership, along with our range of finance options. To find out more, call our friendly sales team today on 0121 514 0632, or alternatively, click on the link in the description below. And a friendly reminder to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.